Welcome to the Quran Psych Tajweed class. Today, in a very short time, we will try to understand the correct pronunciation of Quranic letter Tha. So let's begin and understand how to pronounce Tha correctly. Remember, every alphabetic letter in Arabic language is different from the other, each with its own unique sound. At first, Tha and Seen may seem similar in sound, and this is exactly where most people make mistakes because they don't differentiate between the two. So let's get the correct difference between Tha and Seen. Tha is pronounced softly, while on the other hand, Seen is pronounced with a sharper voice, like Seen. A whistle-like voice is produced when you pronounce Tha. A soft voice is produced, and when you pronounce Seen, a sharper and a whistle-like voice is produced. So while reading the alphabetic letter Tha, Tha should not be stretched too much, like Tha, but a little bit, like Tha. Now we move towards the articulation point, the Makharij of letter Tha. Tha is pronounced from the tip of the tongue, touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. So this was a short explanation about the articulation and pronunciation of letter Tha. Insha'Allah Kareem, in the next video, we will learn more rules and more makhrij. Stay tuned. Jazakallahu khaira.